Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the European Plaice in Heartopia. This fish has a really unique shape and color, and it also has a unique pattern like this. I think it's perfect if you want to decorate your aquarium or if you are a collector and you must have this one. And to catch it, you need to go to the Old Sea, and this fish can appear from 6 p.m. until 6 a.m. And for the weather, it's bounce at the sunny, rainy, and rainbow almost all weather. So just go to the Old Sea at the 6 p.m. until 6 a.m. For the exact locations, it's on here. On this area, just go to this area at the 6 p.m. until 6 a.m. And if you want a higher chance to get it, you can use Fish Attractor or Mermaid Perfume to increase spawn rate. And then just keep fishing patiently and you will get this fish. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.